Once I freeze. I hear Mimi doing so, but I hear something. It goes hiccup, hiccup. See? I saw something that goes hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. See? It goes like this. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. See? Yeah, but I didn't read my story, so I hear something that goes hiccup, hiccup, hiccup.
Yeah?
Yeah. It goes like this too. Hiccup, hiccup, choo. Like that.
Really?
Yeah. My mom got me a tissue.
She did.
Yeah.
Is that the story of how you sneezed and hiccuped?
Yeah.
That was a good story.
Yeah.
You have any more stories?
Yeah. But I don't have any more stories.
You don't?
No.
Alright, tell everyone bye.
But I do have one more stories. I have one more story.
Let's hear it.
Once upon a time, there was a mermaid kingdom. But a mermaid kingdom was full of fishes, but mermaids didn't come to a mermaid kingdom.